Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quinn here, and today I am doing my monthly for January. And my cousin, I'm super intimidated and I don't know how this is going to go. It's my first year in a cousin, so hopefully all goes well. I already pretty much have everything out that I want to use, so I just have this last January script from Alyssa's craft shop, and then I also have these abbreviated dates from Letters to Apollo, and then I also cut some cardstock just like to make a DIY monthly kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything down. I'm just gonna be using my permanent scotch tape runner, and I like that I can pick what I want for the month, like whatever color I want, especially for this month. I really didn't know what I wanted to do, which I never know what I want to do. I kind of just plan based off of my mood. Like sometimes if I want to do something really cute, it will be really cute, because when I first like today I wanted to do like penguins, and I was like, okay, yeah, let me do penguins, because for let me find my tweezers. So yeah, for my first week of and my cousin, I'm gonna be using penguins. So I was like, okay, yeah, let me just use penguins in my monthly area as well, but I don't want to go penguin crazy. So I was like, okay, let me just do something a little bit more subtle. And I had some paper pads, and I was like, okay, maybe I can try to use some paper pads. But of course, I always feel like I just need more paper pads. So I ended up going to Michael's. Yes, I went to Michael's and I picked up 2 Recollection paper pads, and I went ahead and measured everything off and just cut everything down to size. And I apologize, I do not know the measurements. I pretty much just put the cardstock on the planner and like measured out what I wanted for what area. I might try to look and see if I can like find exact measurements. Like if you go on Etsy, I think it tells you like what the measurements are. Like if you're looking for a sticker kit, it'll tell you like the measurements for the monthly, kind of like in the A5 wide for memory planning, and it tells you 1.5 by 1.9 for your full boxes. So maybe it's something like that they'll have. So I'm just putting down the bottom portion now. So this is pretty much my household planner, like so I can put my appointments, and not just for me, for the babies as well. I can put the appointments for them in as well. So I actually picked out two different paper pads. This one is from Winter Scenes from Recollections, and then this one is Cozy Neutrals from Recollections. Alright, so let me just put the January script down. I wish it was on a white background, but this is what I have. And I actually need to go ahead and purchase some more. I think Sadie Stickers has some really like jumbo size ones that would totally work. We have that, and then let me just put in the scripts. Okay, so we have a Monday start. I really love these scripts. I love the font. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put all of the appointments in first. So my son has a pre-op on the 20th. And then his surgery is on the 26th. And then I have 2 MRIs on the 12th. All right, and then house payment. I guess I'll go ahead and mark the birthdays in here as well. I use these little cake icons from Christine Paper Studio. The 4th, the 11th, and the 28th. Okay, so next I'm putting in the rest of my bill dues. So I'm just going to decorate a little bit more, just adding a little bit of these where this is the last week of December, so I'm just gonna add some sparkles there. So that is it for my month area. I think it turned out really good. I'm always like so nervous when I do something new, but it turned out really good. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.